Twice this month, I was asked if I remove the last will and test from an estate plan, could I reduce the legal fee? So let me give you some context. In speaking with prospective clients, we discuss an overall estate. What does that mean? Well, how do you get what you have during your life to the people that you want it to go to at your passing? I also put into that some incapacity plans. So in the event that you're not capable to make your own decisions, we have a guardian in place. A trustee in place really is what power of attorney. Different things, right? I set it up with document-based, based on your perceived needs and my thought of what you might actually need. I try and thread the line. So if after consultation and discussion, you both mutually agree that you need a trust because you want asset protection or because you want to avoid court, you want to avoid probate, you want to make the estate process after your passing simplified and smooth for your heirs, well, then we'll use a trust. I also make sure that you have a will, a last will and test. Now, if we properly fund, you'll never need to probate it, but I want you to have it. I want you to have it because I want to avoid possible problems in the future. So what if you buy a property in state or out of state and you don't, this is after the trust, and you buy it but not inside of your trust? Well, it's not part of your trust assets. You didn't fund it into the trust. You need to probate. That's why I would give you a will. The will could say, let's take any assets that are not in the trust and sweep them into the trust so the trust can govern. A different possible terrible event is that one of your children passes away before you, so without a will. So then you inherit something from your children, or you receive a bonus or a check or an unexpected inheritance from someone else, or additional money, or you have a bank account you forgot about, or several bank accounts that you just didn't get around to placing into the trust. So always the legal fee for the trust and the counsel and the discussion and the effort and the plan, and it's not for the document. So the legal fee is for the trust and those other things I mentioned. And I make sure you have the will. I don't charge you an extra fee for it, but I can't remove it. And if you didn't want to have the will, even after I said all of that, well, then I'm not going to reduce the legal fee because that's not really what the legal fee is for. The legal fee is for all of it together. The totality of the information, the counsel, the advice, the discussion, the plan.